Namaskar. Beauty. Well, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. But unfortunately, people think that beauty is something very external body of ours. It is more an external appearance. In yoga, we always say that human body should look really beautiful. But external body will be beautiful only if your internal self is beautiful. When the person is positive and joyful from inside, looking forward in life, enthusiastic in life, helping others in life, his inner self automatically radiates externally. It looks automatically beautiful. All you really need is a natural glow from inside. Well, nature always gives you a helping hand. Beautiful natural products that would bring glow, highlighting the skin, face very well. Why do we need some other external products which are not natural? All you need is a natural, healthy skin, a glow, and here yoga comes to our rescue. Now a question arises, why I don't have a clear skin? Well, there are many reasons. Let's analyze. First, stressful and unhealthy lifestyle, smoking, alcohol, and unhealthy food choices. So we have some natural ingredients present in nature. One is turmeric, very healthy antibiotic. It is very healthy to keep skin free from infections. It is very healthy to see that skin is soft, gentle and glowing. Turmeric is something which we should use very regularly, as it should be used to eat also, in stomach also. So turmeric internally and externally, both ways it would help us very much. Second ingredient is besan, that is gram flour. It has a very good quality. It's exfoliating, doesn't allow things to settle. It removes the roughness of the skin. And third ingredient is rose water. So now what you have to do, just mix both these ingredients, besan and little turmeric. Make a thick paste out of that, apply that on your face and leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it out with warm water. The second natural ingredient is rice flour and sandalwood. Now, rice flour is very coarse. It doesn't become absolutely fine powder, and so it really helps in removing the dead cells from our skin. Sandalwood helps in managing the UV damaged skin, and it really then brightens the skin. Well, so mix these ingredients, that is rice flour, sandalwood powder and rose water. Mix it, make a nice paste out of it and then massage on your face. Massage it for 5 minutes, face and neck, and then once it is dry, then wash it out with warm water. Understand one thing, whatever you are doing, just enjoy everything. You are massaging, you are relaxing. These are very relaxing activities. And so that relaxed state of mind, joy, that would really help skin to glow much more. Well, for the health of skin, I would straight away recommend 2 asanas which you should do every day. One is Matsyasana. When you do Matsyasana, the face is toned. The circulation goes up to the surface level of your face and it makes your face definitely brighter, better and toned up. The external fat is released, is taken care of. Sarvangasana is a posture which really increases the circulation on your head, shoulder, neck, all this region. And it really helps in relaxation of the muscles which are anti-gravity muscles. And so it helps in tonicity, in circulation as well as in relaxation. And so these two asanas should be done regularly. Along with these two asanas, Kapalbhati, that is a kriya, hygienic kriya, that should be done very regularly. Because Kapalbhati, word by itself means, Bhati means shining, cleaning. And so in Kapalbhati, the toxins are removed from the system, your breathing passage, nasal passage becomes absolutely healthy, you breathe better, more oxygenation into your body, and that really directly affects the facial shine. Well, some other techniques which have proven beyond doubt for the facial health, facial skin. One is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Here you are seeing to it that both the nostrils, they function so well that you really increase the volume of your breath and so oxygen more into your system. Another thing would be Kapal Randra Dhoti, where you are massaging your forehead, you are massaging your cheeks, Karna Randra around your ear, neck. So all these simple gentle massage again helps facial muscles to remain relaxed, the tension, tightness goes away, the worry, because of worry we continuously frown, that habit goes away and person is really smiling and radiating. And then finally, from within you have to radiate, isn't it? And what helps? Meditation. Meditation really helps to see that you are glowing internally. Your energy is very much helping you to open up your heart, to see that your positivity grows, to see that the faith in higher reality grows, and that really helps to bring radiance on your face. When you develop beauty from within, that skin still becomes more beautiful, still glows well. Only what you have to do is smile and glow more. Remain positive all the time and you will really enjoy your skin. Never put yourself down and say, I am dark and I am not fair. This thinking is wrong. Every color beautiful, everything is wonderful. Only what is missing is internal purity, internal goodness. So bring that and that would reflect on your face and you will be glowing. Well, you will be surprised that how a key to so many problems lies at our own home ground, and that is yoga. Namaskar.